The Catholic Diocese of Nnewi, the Bishop of Catholic Diocese of Nnewi, Bishop Benson Okoye, finally, a reply go, Ebubane James Lewis, aka Akacham.
Hey, Igbo never money so. Finally, Bishop Benson, Bishop of Nnewi, has finally replied Akachaam. But it's just heartbreaking that a whole bishop, when it comes to Christendom, bishop will be somebody that is after Pope, you wait with bishops, then before you wait with Reverend Fathers. Let's just put it this way, that after God, now another God I now find our priests, our pastors, that is God just is using them. A whole bishop can open his mouth, now utter this thing out. Anyway, I'm not surprised because I'm beginning to believe here our brother Paul Chibo Kuru one certain time also that na the day ya gali visit here, he visit this man n'office ya, that na the man mgbe ahụ ka bụ Reverend Father or bụ Bishop then o, na the man na-ada aga. So I'm not surprised and I'm beginning to like believe, about that I believe yeah and that man ukwu. Because Paul Chibo is somebody that I respect so much, that can say the truth. However, whoever is affecting, he don't even care. He will just voice it out. Instead of ịpụta gosi iji bụrụ father of the church, gosi ihe eji kpọọ gị bishop, instead of you is in form of you preaching, as in trying to discourage people. Obugodi no wele ife Yoruba me, not also foundation of that church kowa, not also the foundation kowa. Ima how big that church is. Obugodi ni your cost about 100,000 naira. My brother, you supposed to acknowledge him, and you even supposed to like webo his egia kobu. It's not easy. Mmadụ efucha ya oge je go we decide imegin iti ya n'ụka. Ama m na Chukwu na ka ọlụ. You understand? But all these things, instead of you apologize, yeah, or maybe say something nice. The other time, statement is na pasegi we me kezafia in the area the second time otu alleged though, then iputakwa kita no the only thing iwe ike ikwu na this thing. Anyway, can lapụ nene this video. Obunu neneche again na subscribe or biko comment and share my own notification on. You guys say more.
The Catholic Diocese of Nnewi, the Bishop of Catholic Diocese of Nnewi, Bishop Benson Okoye, finally, a reply go, Ebubane James Lewis, aka Akachaam. Watch this video after I have something to say. Very important, I have something to say. Oh yeah?
na James Jesus, I want James before now. I'm going to say, "Oh, the Akachaam can worry." I'm having your woman, and I want to have the number that was with compose, or not with compose. They go to my office now. Parish priest, so you go parish priest and report on where they go. As well they can't catch you, catch you. Who know I don't know? Because all my money, that is the basic question in Gaji. I say, let me have a more of my find you back. Our secretary find you back home. Our movie find you back home. Our company find you back home. What can you focus? Oh, I'm personal question. Why don't you see my job? Because why would he, in the first place, he gets not defended? When I go Ifeanyi Uba. Did not listen to me and away for Ifeanyi Uba. About Ifeanyi Uba was the worst thing that has happened to humanity. If I don't let you, I want to tell you, I'm going to say they're going to. So, for that, I defend Ifeanyi Uba. The good young guy in the two voicemail. Yeah, I have met him. His family members. I got them his phone before the public. We have seen the video. And they could not know young woman. Now, other people. I'm getting that on man. James Okoye. Why are they going to go? 4 days after, you see for back out, Natana more. Because I call for the habit for as long as I got now she's here. I had to go to see all of you. Not the mass. I had to call you. You came here and let your mama my husband know anything but I want. You don't consider me. I can't see my mouth. I got another one to man. So when the one there will run out, how can I
this favor, the remaining 1 second or 1 minute plus for if una ndị mmadụ tamuwazielu ahazi amife bishop na-ekwu after watching this video, indeed this is the right time for me to actually say Ifeanyi Ubah ndo Ebube Chukwu ụzọ na Nnewi nwanne m ndo my distinguished senator late ndo Bishop Benson Okoye, I'm very more than 100% disappointed at you. After watching this video, I have no choice than to believe every single thing about you. I've heard a lot about you. Minus Nkaho, Brother Paul Shibokuru, I've heard more worst things about you. And after watching this video, I have no doubt not to believe that you are even worse than Ifeanyi Ubah. I don't care. Anybody will kiss him, Bishop. Beyond that one, that do very deadly and poisonous. Beyond that one, Ubi a bishop do kayo when no who congregations when na siase when na to ase wolu mike na to ase obi kayo na to ase na to ase. It says that when you took over the cathedral na Ifeanyi Ubah church 214 million. No no church 214 million. Ego nesiko juwelo cathedral. Cathedral Bishop Okoye bialo na nke Ifeanyi Ubah nolo video ntili here. Video ntili here. Nolo achon kan juo Bishop Benson. Ego ne ko kostro. Iji we gba metal ni na ha gba ni cathedral. We ti roof like ebe roof Ifeanyi Ubah na eti na edu to na se no Lagos ko se ebute. What he get roof almost 90% off of the just a little place. I saw it myself. I visited that cathedral as of that time. I saw it myself. Afro maybe follow. It is a little place. Ifeanyi Ubah roof church had the first one, second one, third one. Each one indeed you have once again showcased the hatred in Ifeanyi Ubah no mbonondo igosigidoriye gosi enonwu each roofing church ya mgbe iron steel ni na ha na agba ebe a we bukwasa roof n'elu ego ne ka ono na we made the second one, we made the third one. What me wrong if I say that na each roofing that church had less than 200 million? Put me wrong if I say that each roofing that church had less than 200 million. Put me wrong. Yes, put me wrong. Not go to less than 200 million. It cannot be less than 150 million. Mad we koye 3 times. We koye the third one. We kugido panu dunenwe. We kufe wobele manketawa akunketawa. Bishop Benson, ego neke Ifeanyi Juwelo Cathedral from foundation to ebido roof we fear God or 214 million who project ya ego sele deba or 214 million who project ya from foundation to ebo ono including 3 times a roof here. Achọrọ m use a bad words n'ebe nọ for the sake of akwa iyi. A cover James ọnụ, a bishop doka na aka ọnụ. All these things sekete yi na-ekwu maka ebubo a na-edo. Is it necessary? I am asking you as a man of God, as a bishop, is it necessary? In aka ọnụ, indeed the people who na aka ọnụ aha adu ukife, people who na aka ọnụ ada adu ukife, n'ife na aka ọnụ pieces. Ihapu ife ajụrụ owo kọwagodu James ọnụ ọnụbụrụ nwaanyị o omebụrụ nka. What does it have to do with the question ajụrụ ya aza ajụrụ about personality James? You could have gone ahead to say this thing in a which is of course that people in room one and somebody who came to my house from that particular no within the cathedral we go see every evidence in go see sharia onya we make upon wesem yeah no keta ko what if you are bad. It do bad, it do badder and than badamba. It joronjo. My not beside that bishop ye joronjo obigo do kampume. Isirike. Yeah? Cathedral refine your battle over how many billion? Kinyo no na 214 million oji. Niji 1.4 million. We bugasia if you find your battle 600,000. Je water you do wicked. You are a wicked man. You are grieving over 1.6 million and 4 million and 600,000 and 214 million. Over, okay, let us not overestimate, over exaggerate. Let us not over exaggerate. If I spend over 1.5 billion in that project, let us not over exaggerate. Because ego niki juelo 10-story tower. Ego niki juelo 10-story tower. Foundation that church. Or foundation dokagono foundation meshal blue underground graveyard. Do wicked. I swear. If I buy shall Roma gada do nenu right round Roma gada. Me mama bota is in Bemel induction. Me mama bota is eba. Mama ties lean out deba. So if I buy security abi apogade se photo it do wicked. And do not wanna be a comment about based on even the out chineka walk. It do wicked. It do wicked. You are because of a fire, but you were 200 million. You will go to your Gondoka. You are talking down on money working be spend in a project abroad personal house or blow factory or blow radio station or blow nifa. It's a fire banana eba halu billboard. Or one and then fabricate roof neba. Double machine will na alone. Why no age opportunity out no eba low billboard there? Oblo onye na alụ ya ọlụ nọ na that place na fabricate roof a why na ya na ebe ha na alụ ya billboard oje na amount ayed yeah ana majuru ajụjụ ono katalo hapụ stadium nye bụ nwere no space billboard bi ebe ha na agba if not because na onye na fabricate that roof nọ na that place ana majuru ajụjụ ono kata buru ya bia dia ana majuru ajụjụ if not because no onye na fabricate roof na ebe a onoru si ebe a woruzu ofishe na atu no na abu. Let us fear God though. Let us fear God. Let us fear God. Ese na ife anyo ba nwe family. Gunu ki na-emel family e give anyo battery na ada cathedral patari inwelu ye. Do you have it? Can you put it? If you only nwere ike da for ife ye na afọ na aba na ewiwe because of ego ndị mmadụ wotara ti not even your money. How much more a man that has put in over egone in that cathedral? If you me ukwu no mo e mechie mo na ka mi kwu onu ma na ife aka ike ekwu ike ka happy Akacham ejemi nwebuba na ede ka ono. Is it about personality ebuba na edo or because of ife onu ekwu? Everybody know, even people know obodo woman they know the truth, they just don't want to tell you the truth. You will retire as the worst bishop here. You will retire as the worst Catholic bishop here. You will retire as the worst Catholic bishop here. Bishop Wapala nke Anglican. Onu ndị mmadụ na-akpọ ekete retire. The worst than nke akpọ na retire. Fear no God. Okwo no wakaino. Mana ọwụrụ maka ife alụrụ kwuru ebe a nwanne inwelo the fear of God in you. Minus akwa bishop ahi. Inwelo the fear of God in you. Ijoro njọ. Look at how you are boldly standing, talking down on the effort of Nwoke Nwulanwu. Indeed, I heard the voice conversation between Guna James. Yemana James Okoye no play. James played in that conversation more than 1 year ago. I heard what you said. We banaka. Where's the bishop? Nifi negu. Uno kamadu lugidolu at this level. Lugido kusheru yo fo ngobele ahi kushizili. Na ego ndị mmadụ wetaziri ese na since 2021 iji wee bata n'Olubo ọ bụrụ na your induction ka ị gbara enye alụzi na nọrọ ebe ahụ họọ new building committee mee mmadụ chairman ebe ahụ ozugbo ọ na wee gba enye alụzi na ọlọwakwa iwe nwee got isi na 12 years ife anyị ji wee jide 212 million ke nke ọlụrụ alụ nya 212 million a wunu ndị chọọchị rụzi nri elụcha fear God atụzi n'ụga ebo Bishop Okoye because na ife no negotiate na nwoke nweziri no na emezi dementia atụzi n'ụga ebo Bishop Okoye abụmọnụ na ntaramahụhụ Okoye atụzi n'ụga ebuye because na video nya na Ifeanyi Uba melu where he openly confirmed that no Ifeanyi Uba na alụ wo ife delay all wishes to the public knowledge. Ayima engineers one dono we say that last project alụ n'enu n'ụka nwe got ị na-ebe a na-atụ ga fear God n'ụwa ka anyị nọ Chineke ya kwụnye ọnwụ na ụgwọ ebe Chukwu ụzọ ndo zuru ike na ndokwa Bishop Benson Okoye edo nya hai makacha meji maka Akacha wụrụ maka Akacha gụnụ ọ nna unwe ụka meji maka Akacha n'aka ka n'aka n'ụbọchị ikpeazụ onye ọ na-anara ntaramahụhụ na ikpe dori ya. I rest my case. Nwunye Senator Ifeanyi Uba dibe don't even look at ife ekwuru hapụ ya n'ọnụ ụwa ka anọ ịghọta ga-agbachi egwu na n'ugwu karịa ihe etu a ezugo ebia nwa Ebube a na-edo ịkọ ọnụ ka gịrị Ebube a na-edo na-akọ. Is it about James or about the reality on the ground? You could have forgot that 4 minutes iji wee kwu maka James gaa on ikwu ife ikwuru ije kọbagodo ọnụ ekwukwuru na ịma aka ọnụ ya doba